Meenakshi Dutt, and my today's model is my daughter Shivechy Dutt, and I'm going to be doing a makeup look on her, slightly her style, vibrant, sassy, something that she can carry, something that I could not do on myself. So I'm going to be doing that look on her. I hope it comes out nice. So let's start. I'm starting her makeup with this Instant Light Spray Makeup Base by Shivechy Dutt. And this I'm using after she's already done her skin prep. So I'm just going to be using my fingers, and my fingers are all sanitized, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm starting her concealing with this Overachiever Concealer by Huda Beauty in shade Graham Cracker. For her full face, I'm using this Pat McGrath Labs foundation in light medium 14. This is a lovely textured foundation, very nice for young skins. I'm using the concealer from Shivechy Dutt. This is in shade number 2. This is to basically brighten her under eyes and all the areas I need to highlight. So now I'm setting her base with a translucent powder. You can use any, whichever is your favorite. I'm using the P. Louise eye base. You can use any, slightly in the lighter shade. I'm going to be using these ColourPop cosmetic shades on her eyes today, maybe one odd color from each palette. So because I didn't have a single palette which had all the shades, so I'm going to start with them.
I'm starting with the yellow from the inner corner of the eye to slightly above the crease. The shadow is, the fallout is a lot. The payoff is good, but there's a lot of fallout. Shade is a minty green. Now I'm going to dive into the blues. All the shades that I'm using are more towards the pastels.
Time to do the under eyes. So I'm going to be taking this pink color. So I'm done with the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be doing this NYX white eyeliner on her eyes. Applying these Scott Barnes lashes in Lexi. Blusher I'm going to be using from this ColourPop customized palette. So these shades I had chosen myself. Starting the lips with the KK02 lip pencil.
I'm going out of her lip line slightly from the upper lip side, but keeping the cupid shape intact.
As I have done the eyes very dramatic, so I'm going to be doing the lips slightly nude. So I'm using this color Burnt Spice from MAC Cosmetics.
So time to set the makeup. I'm doing it with the Too Faced 3-in-1 setting spray. So we just leave it on for some time and wait for it to dry.
So now we are done with the makeup. Shivangi still hasn't seen her face, so let's see her reaction. Nice, man. So this is the look I did on my daughter today. I think it was just apt for her age, her style, and like she likes to carry funky and very vibrant things. So this was something I want to do on myself, but of course she's a part of me, so I've done it on her, and I hope you like it.